Hello all. Now I am going to discuss about cutoff frequency of a rectangular waveguide and how the waveguide will act as a high pass filter. Okay, very important derivation. So here we know that already in rectangular waveguide h square is equal to gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon, where h square is nothing but hx square and hy square, where hx is nothing but m pi by a gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon is equal to hx is nothing but m pi by a whole square and n pi by b whole square. Now gamma square is equals to m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square minus omega square mu epsilon. So gamma is equals to under root of m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square minus omega square mu epsilon. And we know that gamma propagation constant is in terms of two, that is alpha plus j beta, can be defined in terms of two: propagation attenuation constant and propagation phase shift constant. Propagation constant is equals to attenuation constant plus phase shift constant. So here at lower frequencies means omega square mu epsilon less than m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square. This is a frequency term I am having. Frequency term means imaginary term like this, and this is a constant like attenuation. So if this term is less than this one, so what will happen? The imaginary term is less than the real part term. Then gamma becomes real and positive. If this is less, if I consider this one is very less than this one, or if we can neglect this one, then I will have only the constant term, that is gamma is real and positive, okay, which is equal to attenuation constant alpha. If we, this imaginary term, this one is very less compared to this term, okay, that is the wave is completely attenuated. Okay, we are having only alpha term, real term, means attenuation constant. We are having only attenuation constant. There is no phase shift constant. So the wave is fully attenuated, completely attenuated, and there is no phase change. If phase change is occurring means the wave is propagating in the air. The wave is propagating to the destination. Wave propagation is occurring means phase change will be occurring. Phase change is occurring means there is no attenuation. But here what is happening? The gamma is fully real and positive. Only attenuation is happening. There is no phase change. Okay. So here the wave cannot propagate. Wave cannot propagate. What will happen at higher frequencies? At higher frequencies, that is omega square mu epsilon is greater than m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square. It means the real term is less than the imaginary term, or I can say that imaginary term is dominating the real term. The frequency is existing, frequency term is existing. Frequencies are existing means there is propagation, okay, and I can say that here this is very high compared to this one, and this one can be neglected. If there is no attenuation, the wave is fully propagating. If the attenuation is existing means somewhat disturbance is occurring, or at the receiver end there is no information received by the antenna fully or received by the receiver fully. If the attenuation is existing, if there is no attenuation, it is fully propagating means the receiver is receiving the information completely. There is no noise. So here gamma is imaginary and there will be phase change beta, and hence the wave propagating. The wave is completely or fully propagating without attenuation. And very important definition, the frequency at which gamma becomes 0 is defined as the cutoff frequency. The cutoff frequency or threshold frequency or threshold frequency FC. Okay, cutoff frequency or threshold frequency. Here omega square mu epsilon is equal to m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square. This is a condition where real and imaginary parts are equal. Attenuation is equal to the propagation. If attenuation and propagation are equal, what will happen? The wave will not propagate, the wave will not attenuate, right? The wave is always doing or hitting the walls of the waveguide. It is hitting here and again it is going back and it will hit here and again it is come down, hit here. So only the wave motion exists like a vertical line. There is no propagation. Okay, and that particular frequency is known as a cutoff frequency. Okay, now I am going to derive the expression for cutoff frequency. So at f is equal to fc, gamma is equal to 0 and omega is equal to 2 pi f. So at f is equal to fc, right, omega will become omega c. Now I want to define what is the expression for fc. So omega c is equal to omega square mu epsilon is equal to m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square. Omega c is equal to 1 by square root of mu epsilon. I am removing square term. So I will get root m pi by a whole square plus n pi by b whole square under root. So fc is equal to what is 1 by square root of mu epsilon. It is nothing but c. Okay, I have written c, and omega c is nothing but 2 pi fc, and 2 pi I am bringing here, c by 2 pi m pi by a whole square n pi by b whole square whole power 1 by 2. Next I am taking pi common. Okay, so I will get m by a whole square plus n by b whole square whole power 1 by 2. So cutoff wavelength lambda c is nothing but c by fc. So I will get m by a whole square plus n by b whole square power 1 by 2. So lambda c is equal to 2ab by square root of m square b square plus n square a square. After simplification, this c will gets cancelled, and here m square b square plus n square a square by ab, ab whole square whole power 1 by 2. Square root will gets cancelled, ab will coming to the numerator, so I'll get 2ab by m square b square plus n square a square. So this is the lambda c, cutoff wavelength, and this is fc, cutoff frequency. And one more important formula, the relation between lambda g, lambda naught, lambda c, we are going to see, which is very very important. Here 1 by lambda g whole square is equals to 1 by lambda naught square minus 1 by lambda c whole square. Here lambda g is nothing but guided wavelength, guided wavelength. Lambda c is cutoff wavelength. And what is lambda naught? Lambda naught is space wavelength. Okay, thank you.